Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today we're going to draw besties. So let's get started. To draw these cute best friends, let's first start by drawing the lid of our cup. So I'm going to start right here on the left side and go with a straight line across. So I'm just trying to simplify these cups as much as possible. So I have the straight line about that wide, and I'm just going to go ahead and round off the corners to create this rectangle. So everything is rounded off and soft. And round it off, and then connect back again to create your rectangle for the lid. And then now that we have that, we're going to draw the cup. So I'm going to come in a little bit, about right here and here, and we're just going to angle our way down. So like I said, I'm just trying to simplify it as much as possible since we have two cups we need to draw. And same thing about right here. And just kind of looking back and forth, trying to match the same angle as the other side. And now that I'm at the same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. There, got one cup in. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the other cup. So same exact thing. We're just going to go right across. We're just skip a little bit of space, and about right here, I'm going to draw the same thing. So approximately there. I think I'm going down. You need to look at my camera. Okay, then we're drawing the same thing. So round it off for a rectangle and connect. There. And then once again, same thing. So here and here. Turn the angle all the way down to the same height as the other side, so about that much. And same thing here. So I notice I've already made this one a little bit more angular. It's a thinner cup. So it's all up to you. If your bestie is just like exactly like you, then you can draw the same. Or if your bestie is very different from you, you can use these teacups as a way to show that. There. Okay, so this one's a little bit thinner at the bottom, and then from there, let's add in some details. So I'm going to come to about right here and just draw a wave across just to make it look like there's liquid in here. And same thing here. And then we can draw the straw. So I'm going to have the straw facing each other. So I'm going to come about right here. And I'm just going to angle, skip, and continue my angle. And then I'm going to round this part off, nice fat straw, and bring it in. And same thing here. So let's say approximately here. Angle all the way down, continue it. Ooh! I think I made my straw a little too angular, for this one. Okay, you know what? Hold on one second, because that wouldn't make sense. So, oops. Let's go this way. Sorry about that. And then we're going to curve it just like the other side. And continue. Okay, let me come in here real quick and erase that. There. Makes a little bit more sense now, right? I'll just leave that one as is. Okay, so now that we have our two straws facing each other, let's bring them to life. So on this one, I'm just going to add some happy eyes. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and thicken it up and come right across about right here, and same thing. And thicken it up. And then, of course, a sweet smile, maybe a tongue sticking out just to make it extra yummy and cute. There, and I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then this one right here, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So about the same area, but right here, add a circle. Come across, same thing. Add another circle, and let's make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And see here, and then curve on top of each eye, and a sweet smile right in between, and cap it off. There, and then let's have them holding hands because they're best friends. So let's say about right here, and I'm just going to drag that point across. I'm just going to add 2 curves that come together right in the center, and then where they meet, just thicken it up. There, and then the other side will be the other hand, so approximately about right here, and I'm just going to go up on this one and thicken it up. And then same thing on the other side. On this one, let's just bring it down to change it up and thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now we can add whatever you want. So we're just going to make it boba because that's the most popular tea, right? So if you want to do that, just come right here. I'm just going to lightly add a bunch of circles. And of course, depending on how your best friend likes, what your best friend likes, maybe it's not boba, you can change it up. There, I'll just add, okay, I'll just leave it there. I was tempted to add another one. Here. And one more. There. Okay, so now that we have, you know what, I am going to add it. I feel like it just needs something. I'm going to add another one right here. There, maybe this best friend likes more boba. Okay, and just going to stick one right here. There. Now that we have all that in, let's write the pun, which is best teas. So I'm going to do that under here. So I'm going to start about right here. And I know it's B-E-S-T, and I'm going to try to put a heart in between. So best teas, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same amount of letters in each. So I'm just going to try my best to put one under each cup. So it's B. And like I say, every time when you're drawing these letters, if you run out of space, just make them thinner, and if you have too much space, just make them wider. So best, and then I'm going to put T, so underneath, about right here. E and then A. S, right about here, just like the other side. There, we did it. And then in between, we're going to add a heart. And I'm just going to come in here real quick to spruce up these letters. There, and pretty much it. Let me come back in here. My B needs to be a little bit higher. And it's always nice if you have a pen using a pencil. You can make any adjustments you need. But that is pretty much it for this pun art to draw for your bestie. I really hope you love this drawing that brings a smile to your day and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.